Hi everyone, this is me, Teacher Adeline. For today's video, share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-hyperlink gamit ang PowerPoint. First step, dapat meron kayo nitong spinning wheel, name picker, at itong picador. At dapat meron na din kayong slide for question. So, itong spinning wheel, name picker, ginagamit natin to call out our students. And kung sino yung student na mapipili ay pupunta siya sa front at mamimili siya ng isa out of 4 doors. So, try na natin i-hyperlink itong green na door. Right-click mo lang siya and then click hyperlink. Click place in this document at hanapin nyo yung slide na question. Na kung saan, if they click the green door, ay mapupunta sila sa question. After that, click OK. So ngayon, try na nating i-play yung slideshow. And click the green door at ito na yung lalabas. Ito na yung question na kailangang sagutan ng bata. And ngayon naman ay mamimili siya sa dalawa, yes or no. So we need to prepare check and wrong image. Kapag pipili yung bata sa yes, yung sagot nito is wrong. So i-hyperlink natin siya. Right click and then place in this document. Hanapin natin yung slide na may wrong X. Same din dito sa no. Right click lang natin, then hyperlink. Place in this document at hanapin yung check na slide. So ayun na, kapag i-click natin yung yes, lalabas na yung X mark, meaning mali yung sagot. And kapag i-click natin yung no, lalabas yung check mark, meaning correct yung sagot. Ngayon naman is gagawa tayo ng home icon, which is kapag i-click natin yan, babalik tayo doon sa pick a door. Same process, right click pa rin and then hyperlink. Place in this document, hanapin nyo yung pick a door slide. Click OK and then we're done. So ganyan lamang po kadali mag-hyperlink. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more.